Hi guys. Oh, we are running into some technical difficulties this morning. I think with everybody being on everything, it's just slowing everything up. I hope that this video doesn't glitch like the ones in the past. I am doing it on a different computer so that I can use the Smart Notebook file, but we'll try our best. So we did not keep track of our day of school on Friday because of computer issues. So we're going to have to add 2 days today, which brings us to our 130th day of school. All right, so this was for Friday. This is for today. We're going to go ahead and change some things over here. We'll change that guy, right, to 130. We're going to go ahead and bring our 9th one up here. That wants to work for us. Okay, and then for today, we have to bring a 10th one up, but we run into a problem. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. We cannot have 10 ones in our ones place. So what are we going to do? We're going to take those guys and we're going to exchange them for a long. So they get turned into a long. We take this guy, flip him around here. All right, and we're going to bring him over to our tens place. Perfect. All right, so let's change some things. We now have 3 longs instead of 2. Our flat remains the same. That's still 100. That actually will not change any point before we get to the end of our year. This is going to be 30, and we now have no ones, 0 ones in our ones place. So we're going to change that 8 to a 0. We actually don't have to put anything there, but I like to have a 0 there just to hold our place to remind us. We're going to go ahead and bring over our 129th tally mark, this guy right here. And we have to bring our other one over, but because it is a set of 5, we're going to cross them out and bundle them together like that. All right, so we now have, let's just check our tally marks and bring this guy over here so they're nice and close. We have 100, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So that was 20 groups of 5 in our 100, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. So 26 groups of 5. That could be a name for today. If we have a 0 in the ones place, are we odd or are we even? There's nobody to be left out. Right? It is actually an even number. When there is a 0 in the ones place, it's considered a even number. All right, so we had 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. My name for today is going to be 26 times 5 equals today's number. Right? What are some names that you have? If you did not come up with any on your own yet, go ahead and pause this video, write down a few, and then unpause when you're ready, and we can share some. Okay, so 130. We can think about different ways to make our 100. We can think about different ways to make our 30. One way that I'm thinking of is 100, right, plus 15 plus 15. Okay, and that's going to equal our number. I'm going to bring these guys a little closer together so we've got some space for some other names. What is another way that we can make 130? Okay, we can do 120 plus 10. That's also one way. Okay, that would be a great way. We could do, 200 minus 70. Okay. And I'm sure you guys have some other names that you came up with that are awesome, and I would love to be able to include them, but we're going to keep moving on to our money. All right, so we're going to have to add 2 pennies for today, 1 for Friday, and 1 for today. And a lot of pennies right now. A lot of pennies in our piggy bank. So we're going to go ahead and see if we can do some exchanging. Our money amount down here is we want $1.30, which we do have right now, but there is a way to make using fewer coins, or 130 cents. So what can we do with those 5 pennies? What can we exchange them for? Yeah, we can take all those 5 pennies and we can exchange them for a nickel. A nickel is worth the same amount. So now we have $1 and 25 plus 5 is 30. 25, 30. $1.30. All right, so let's take a look at our weather. It is looking a little bit cloudy out there, but there is some sunshine. Looks like the sun is trying really hard to get out. So let's go ahead. We did not keep track of Fridays. I'm trying to remember what Friday's weather was like. But for today. I think today partly cloudy would be a good one for today. Okay, and what do you think the temperature is? I think that it definitely still feels cool. Okay, I'm going to make a prediction. You go ahead and make a prediction. I'm going to say I think it's about maybe 50 degrees. Our local weather says pop up right here when that's done loading. Let's see how close you were, your prediction, how close I was. And then we can add it to our calendar. All right, it's loading, 53. Oh, it's rude. No. Early evening, that sounds great. And it does feel like 50 is not too far off. Okay. So let's go ahead over to our chart. Oh, we did not do Thursdays either. We're a little far behind here. So let's go ahead and just mark those guys off so we don't lose track. All right, so I'm going to put a line through this one. A line through this one. It happens sometimes. Okay, I think it just didn't save. I remember us doing it together. And then we're going to go ahead and put in a temperature for today. All right, and today is 53 degrees. Oh, that is a large 53. That's okay. We'll keep that there for right now. All right, guys. So as the weeks go on and it gets farther into spring, we're going to be seeing some warmer temperatures. I mean, last Wednesday it was only 39, and we're up to 53 same time of day. So I think we're going to be seeing a lot more of those days in 50s and 60s. Okay. I will see you guys later. Bye.